Jurors in the double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh will be allowed to visit the family's South Carolina home. It is the site of the crime scene where his wife and son were brutally murdered. The judge making that ruling today in favor of the defense as the trial moves into its 23rd day. Senior national correspondent Brian Hinton is live in front of the courthouse in Walterboro, South Carolina. So, Brian, why does the defense want the jury to make this visit?
Well, just within the last hour, Nicole, the defense has rested their case. So things are really moving now. It felt like this trial was going on forever. It's been 6 weeks now. Well, now the defense has officially rested, and it could all be over by the end of the week. And you mentioned it, the tour of the Moselle property. That came up today. The defense says the jury should be able to go out to that family property, see it with their own eyes, since that is where the murders occurred, especially the distance between the Murdaugh family home and where the dog kennels are, what you see right there where Paul and Maggie were killed. The prosecutor came back and said, no, we don't think it's a good idea, Judge. The landscape out there has changed. The trees have changed. It's not going to make sense to the jury. In the end, the judge sided with the defense, so that field trip will be happening sometime this week. Another big development today, really sort of a bombshell in all of this. There was a forensic expert on the stand who testified that he believes that it may have actually been two shooters that killed Maggie and Paul. Take a listen to what he had to say.
Mr. Palmbach, do you have an opinion based upon more probably than not whether there was one or two shooters who murdered Maggie and Paul on the night of June 7th?
I do have an opinion on that.
And what's your opinion?
My opinion is the totality of the evidence is more suggestive of a two-shooter scenario.
A two-shooter scenario, you heard that. That could really be important, especially since we are now in the final week of the trial. Could that influence jurors who were already on the fence and not sure about things? We're going to have to wait and see. Coming up in the next hour, another big moment today. Alex Murdaugh's brother was back on the stand, got very emotional today talking about Alex's state of mind right after the murders. We'll have that for you coming up in the next hour, Nicole.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.